Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display mobile menu item on right side in mobile layout in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in mobile layout. Now expand menu and then you see mobile menu item on left side. So we are going to display on right side. So we are going to add custom CSS. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS and then we are going to add some custom CSS and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. And then you see we are using media query, maximum width 768 pixel. So this custom CSS only apply for mobile layout, maximum width screen 768 and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to mobile layout again and refresh the page. So we are in mobile layout. Now expand menu and then you see mobile menu item on right side, alignment change, and you will find all custom CSS in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.